We urge the government of Venezuela to immediately adopt concrete measures in agreement with the opposition and in accordance with the Constitution to ensure the separation of powers, the respect of democracy and of human rights and of democratic institutions.
Venezuela's political unrest brought foreign ministers from South America's largest trading bloc together for an emergency meeting in Buenos Aires. The group is demanding steps be taken to ensure separation of powers within the government. The court's perceived power grab caused outrage and rallies in Caracas. CGTN's Juan Lamas reports many are demanding Venezuela's President Maduro step down.
In a statement retracting Wednesday's decision to strip Parliament of its powers, Supreme Court President Maikel Moreno said the content of this week's ruling had now been suppressed.
Rulings of the Supreme Court have not stripped Congress of its functions, neither have we dissolved or canceled it, and the court recognizes the immunity of lawmakers as a guarantee of the legislative function.
The decision to restore Parliament's powers came hours after President Nicolás Maduro ordered the court to think again. His intervention came after the country's Attorney General, Luisa Ortega Díaz, criticized the Supreme Court ruling, saying it violated the Constitution and represented a rupture of the constitutional order. But opposition lawmakers say the move does not go far enough. Parliament President Julio Borges called on the international community to apply more pressure on the government and appealed to protesters to carry on making their voices heard.
Starting today and in the following days, we will continue taking to the streets until we have accomplished Venezuelan liberty once and for all.
Tensions are still high, and protesters continue to demonstrate against deteriorating economic conditions, despite the government's efforts to resolve the standoff. Juan Lamas, CGTN Caracas.